Hello everyone, Eric here, KJ4Y, the guy with HamRadioConcepts. I figured I'd put this video up and show you how it originally started. Went QRP in today with John Frankie. Don't do it, John. Don't do it. I'll just leave this video up to you. Didn't get much accomplished today. Still had a good time. We are alive. I missed death by like that much. So anyways, I guess enjoy, and the next video coming up will have a little better luck. Well, hello everyone, Eric here, KJ4YZI with John. That's KM4MCK. Today we're doing our little QRP extravaganza adventure out in the middle of Florida. We have behind us in the window the Polaris. So we're going to be taking that thing with our gear out and middle of nowhere and doing some radio. I'm doing QRP. I don't know what John's doing, but the goal in this video for me is to see exactly what I can do with ham radio. You know, people say, oh, ham radio is, you know, when all else fails, it's ham radio. Well, what are you actually gonna do? What are you gonna do when you go out there in the field?
Oh shit!
What?
Just kidding.
Oh my god. Dude, you suck, man. I hate you. I hate you, and that is on film. Wow. I thought we lost a Polaris, man. What the hell was that?
Sorry. Take two.
Oh man, no, that's staying on there. Anyways, what are you actually gonna do with ham?
That smell.
Yeah. And I want to fit it all in a bag, because when you are going out in the middle of nowhere, or you're bugging out in a bag because it's an emergency, you're not taking a Polaris and slamming on the brakes in the middle of the highway. You can grab a bag and go. So let's see what we got to work with today. I hate you. Can we fit it all in this thing, John?
Your stuff, yes. My stuff, maybe.
That thing's pretty cool, man. It appears we're not stuck yet. John, I sure hope this QRP adventure is worth it.
It will be.
Are we stuck?
A little bit. We hit some quicksand.
And I don't think anybody is coming out here anytime soon. Do we just set up camp right here?
That was fine.
Do we call on HF? CQ for a tow truck. There went your shovel.
Right under.
Now we're really stuck. I hope this QRP adventure is worth it. We're buried. Tell me about what we're gonna do, John.
We'll get it out. We'll get something under the wheels.
Are we ever gonna play radio today?
Oh, absolutely. It's just a little hiccup. You're not getting stuck. You're not having fun.
That's a lot of hiccup there. When you can't see the tires, you're in trouble.
That's a vomit.
That's deep there. Well, John's giving up. He's laying in the flesh-eating bacteria. I don't think we're ever getting out of here. Guys, I don't think you understand, okay? There's nobody here. We are in the middle of the wilderness. And John decided, hey, let's go play some ham radio.
I've been out here 100 times and never got stuck on these roads.
Well, we're stuck today. This is number 2.
The only thing that's changed is you're with me. Bad luck charm. 10 meters is open right now. By the time we set up, it's going to be closed.
I think this video belongs on the 4x4 forum, not on the HamRadioConcepts. Here we are, number 3. Let me show you where we're at now. He's in charge. He knows where he's going. Well, this isn't a lake. This is, well, he's in a lake right now. He's trying to...
I think we're almost out.
I think this is ridiculous, but somehow we have to get over there. Somewhere over there. I don't see us getting there.
I'll bet you $1 we get there.
So after the 3rd time of getting stuck, we're going to follow these guys so we don't get stuck again.
At least we got somebody to pull us out.
Yeah, because they pulled us out. Nice gentlemen. I mean, this is, you got to know what you're doing when you're out here. Okay, this is getting old, so we're stuck here again. Where the hell is help? There it is. Hopefully they see us. This is where the alligators live here. Alright. So, there's the picnic table we're trying to get to. That's where we're trying to go. The problem is, that's a lake, and these people have no idea how to even get over here. John?
Yeah, well, you see...
John, wait, John. My viewers are precious to me, okay? My viewers want material. What are you doing to the material today?
Oh, I'm screwing it up.
You're right, you are. Here. I do apologize. So we're going to see if they can figure out how to get in here, because I don't even know how the hell we got in here. I think we got in there. John says he walked and found a trail over there, somewhere, that goes all the way around and comes out. You see how it's dry over there? You see how it's nice and dry? So mind you, he said, well, until help arrives or someone drives by, let's just carry the stuff over there. So I had my entire QRP bag right here in my hand, and I was neck high in water, and I said, I am not going to drown and risk my radio. I don't care about me. I don't want to risk my radio. So we got over there and said, nope, ain't going to work. So let's see what happens. This is number 4. And I don't hear them anymore, so they gave up. Holy hell, we made it. Wow. They did actually come for us. So we were over there in the abyss. There was gators honking, but we had to go all the way around and come out way over here in dry land. So let me set up now. That John has ruined half my day. It's not the getting stuck thing, it's the being helpless out there hoping someone's going to drive by. So this area here, we should be pretty good. So if you don't want to get stuck, this is what you bring out here. That thing's got a V8 with 50-inch tires. That ain't getting stuck nowhere. Alright, here's round 2 with John's ball buster. That's what I call it. Because if he misses, that thing's going to hurt. Here we go.
It's YouTube.
Yeah.
And I'm just going to go as high as I can over there, I guess.
Okay. I mean, I guess you got it up there.
Yeah. it's not far enough though.
No, it needs to be up in there. All right, try again. There you go. That should work.
Early, well, throughout the decade of the 1950s, go ahead.
Okay, very good. Well, Cocoa Beach is northeast of us. So yeah, if you were on 95 and you went to State Road 60 and you headed west, that's where we would be. So I know where Cocoa Beach is. I work in Cocoa Beach sometimes. I got to get your call again. KJ4YZI. Back to you.
Okay, KJ4YVI. The call is Kilo Tango 4 Quebec Whiskey. Go ahead.
Yeah, give me that one more time.
Kilo Tango 4 Quebec Whiskey.
Kilo Tango 4 Quebec Whiskey. Got it that time. Yeah, you're still holding a good 5.7 here. Out in the, they call it RiverRanch out here. And 70,000 acres? 70,000 acres. A lot of area. So right now I'm using the guy that I drove with here, his rig, because he's got a Go box here that's got a tuner and everything built in. Myself, I had a little QRP rig with a laptop and a wire and a tree and a solar panel and a battery and stuff like that. Just hard working 2 stations at the same time without filter.
Got stuck a few times coming out here because of the rain and the road's washed out, but we're enjoying it now.
Hey, Roger on the No Civilization. Yeah, it's good to get away from those dialogues. Yeah, you made me think of my ex-wife. I used to think I was in the No Civilization period there when I was with her.
Roger, I hear you there. No, that's what I like about this place. My wife doesn't like coming out here, so it kind of gets me away. But yeah, my friend Eric and I are here, and we're just doing a little QRP. So I'm glad we're getting out today.
Alright, well, I'll say 73's band's going uptown, but I got you in the logbook, and hope you make a lot more contacts and enjoy the great outdoors out there. 73, Juliet 6 will be clearance. Kilo Mike 4, Mike Charlie Kilo.
Alright, John, let's see if we can hit the bottle. Hold on. Where's it at? There it is. Go ahead. Ready?
Wait. Yep. Hi. Yeah, hit it again. Hi again.
Shoot high. Ooh. Come on, John, hit it. Ooh. Nope. There you go. There you go. Ooh. John, what do you think?
We had fun.
You know, after all that, it sounded pretty crazy in the video. I was pretty worried and a little upset, but I had a great time. We were watching some of the clips and we were laughing pretty good. So, hey, it is what it is. This is the first HamRadioConcepts blooper reel, complete with a Polaris and feet that are pruned so bad, I don't know what they're gonna look like when I take these shoes off, but these were brand new 2 days ago and they're pretty much shot. 7-3 guys, let me get this stuff out of the truck. KJ4YZI, look for the next video, which will probably be a lot better than this one.